You hear that, guys? Interrupt my video. And anyhow, guys, that's just for laugh. Wow. Hi, welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now I'm gonna make a healthy strong box smoothie for you. All right, guys, check this out. Aloe vera, Irish moss, sea moss, ginger, inflammation pain, spirulina, powerhouse, superfood, antioxidants, banana, potassium. Look at this, guys. You need your greens for your vitamins. Soy, super healthy. This is superfood. All right, guys. Strong back, Irish moss, that strong back. Okay, so this will be Tiona's strong back smoothie for my husband. Okay, I'm gonna make it for him and he's gonna taste it and tell me what he thinks. All right, and we have some spinach. Okay, my husband, can you hold this for me now? First, we're gonna dump one ripe banana. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of sea moss. I have some aloe vera gel. Ooh. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon or 2 of ginger. You can use the fresh cut ginger. And I'm gonna go in with some spinach. And guys, the next thing is my spirulina. You don't want to use too much, okay guys? Why? I'm gonna go in with actually half teaspoon. Okay, this is about half teaspoon. You don't want to overdo it. I'm telling you, really strong. Yeah, go green up everything, guys. And I'm gonna put about 2 cups of soy. 1, 2. And I'm gonna go in with some crushed ice. All right, guys, if you want it sweet, you can go ahead and put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, but my husband and I, we're gonna drink it like this and we're gonna blend away. Okay. All right, guys, look at that goodness. Why, if your back not strong already, not strong again, right? Right or not right? You not say anything? Guys didn't say not say anything. Anyhow, let's pour out some.
No comment.
No comment, he says, guys. All right, let's pour this one in here first, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. And I'm gonna pour the rest here. That's ice. And you're gonna taste it after.
Looks delicious.
It looks delicious. That's my strong box smoothie made for my husband. He's gonna taste it and he's gonna tell me how he likes it, if yes or no. Okay, honest opinion. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. This is a superfood, okay guys? Super healthy. He's gonna taste it, guys.
Superlicious.
Superlicious, is that a word? Holy mackerel. Anyhow, guys, he said it's superlicious. I gotta look in the dictionary. Wait, no, you drink coffee whole night. I mean, not that people don't talk. What is this?
Really?
You ready? Guys, he say superlicious and he ready. See there? He whole glass done. Oh boy. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye. Guys, you see what left in there? It's a super delicious. Superlicious. His word. Oh dear, oh dear. My goodness.